Why can some people stay focused and stick to their goals while others get distracted so easily? Most people think it's willpower, but focus and discipline are habits your brain learns, and today you'll discover 5 daily habits that can train it differently. Your brain has 2 competing priorities. One wants comfort, quick rewards, and the easiest option. The other helps you stay focused, think ahead, and follow through on your goals. The more you strengthen that second system, the easier discipline becomes. Because your brain learns from what you practice, not from what you intend to do. The actions you repeat most often are the ones that slowly shape your habits. Let's start with the first habit. Habit number 1, do one thing without switching. Have you ever finished a busy day only to realize the most important task is still unfinished? That's what constant task switching does. Every time you jump between tasks, your brain has to reset its attention. The more you multitask, the more distraction becomes your default. But the opposite is also true. Every time you stay with one task, you train your brain to focus longer. Here's today's challenge. Choose one important task. Set a timer for 10 minutes. During those 10 minutes, don't switch. You don't have to finish the task, just protect your attention. Your mind will keep looking for distractions. That's normal. Every time you bring your attention back, you're strengthening your ability to focus. But focus alone isn't enough, because even focused people sometimes avoid doing what matters most. That's where the second habit comes in. Habit number 2, finish one small, uncomfortable thing. Most people don't lose discipline halfway through a task. They lose it before they even begin. That's why it's so easy to delay the difficult email, avoid the awkward conversation, or postpone an important project. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain naturally avoids discomfort. So make the first step too small to avoid. Don't finish the whole report, write the first paragraph. Don't do a full workout, do 5 minutes. Every time you act despite resistance, you teach yourself, I can feel uncomfortable and still move forward. That's how discipline grows, not by waiting for motivation, but by acting before it arrives. But the next habit is where discipline usually disappears fastest, during the few seconds after an emotion hits. Habit number 3, pause before you react. Discipline isn't only tested during difficult tasks. Sometimes it's tested during emotional moments. Maybe someone sends a rude message, a coworker criticizes your idea, or something small ruins your mood. Your brain wants to react immediately. But the strongest response is often the one you don't give right away. The next time that happens, pause for 5 seconds. Take one slow breath, then choose your response. That brief pause gives your thinking brain time to catch up. The more you practice it, the easier self-control becomes. Because discipline isn't only about controlling your actions, it's also about controlling your reactions. And there's one more way to make self-control easier, before temptation even appears. Habit number 4, decide before the moment arrives. Have you ever noticed the hardest decisions happen when you're tired, busy, or mentally drained? That's when your brain looks for the easiest option. Instead of relying on willpower, make the decision earlier. Choose tomorrow's workout time tonight. Lay out your clothes before bed. Decide your first task before opening your laptop. When the decision is already made, there's less room to negotiate with yourself. You spend less energy deciding and more energy doing. But even with a good plan, your brain will still chase quick rewards, and that's exactly what the final habit helps you change. Habit number 5, delay small rewards. Your brain loves immediate rewards. That's why checking your phone, watching one more video, or taking a break often feels easier than finishing what you started. So try this instead. Before taking the reward, finish one more small step. Write one more paragraph. Reply to one more email. Read one more page. Then enjoy the reward. Every time you delay immediate gratification, you strengthen your ability to resist impulse. You're teaching yourself, I don't have to act on every urge. And over time, that becomes real discipline. Your brain is always learning. The only question is, what are you teaching it every day? Every time you protect your attention, take one uncomfortable step, pause before reacting, or delay a small reward, you're training your brain to become more focused and disciplined. Not through motivation, but through repetition. So, which habit will you start today? If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who wants better focus and discipline. And if you enjoy simple psychology and practical brain habits backed by science, subscribe to Change Your Mind. Until next time, keep changing your mind, because that's how you change your life.